Activity title: Case Study Analysis of Real-World Data Communication and Networking System. Cosen Scenario Hospital Information System, St. Luke's Medical Center.
Introduction. Background of the Cosen system. The St. Luke Medical Center, or CLMC, is a leading healthcare provider in the Philippines. Its Hospital Information System, or HIS, integrates patients, data management, appointment, scheduling, bleeding, and other healthcare relative services. Purpose of the system. The HIS designed to streamline hospital operations, ensure accurate patient records, facilitate communication between medical staff, and improve the overall quality of care. Reason for selecting the scenario. Healthcare systems are crucial for daily operations, and understanding how network enables the management of sensitive patient data offers great into real-time data communication. Description of the real scenario. How the system is used. Medical staff, including doctors, nurses, administrative professionals, use the HIS to access patient records, schedule appointments, update treatment progress, and issue prescriptions. How are the users? Primary users are including staff, doctors, nurses, administrators. Whole patient benefits clarity by receiving improved service through faster, more accurate data processing. Data being transmitted. Data transmitted includes patient medical records, appointments, schedules, diagnostic reports, prescriptions, and billing information. The main user of the system are the hospital staff. Doctors use it to check patient historical and prescribe medicine. Nurses use to monitor patient consideration and update records. Administrations use it to handle appointment and billing. Even the truth, patients do not clarity use the system. They benefit from it because service become quicker, more accurate, and reliable. The type of data being transmitted in the system includes important medical information such as patient records, appointments, schedules, diagnostic results, prescription, and billing details. Since this information is sensitive, it must be handled carefully to protect patient privacy and ensure accurate healthcare and services. Data communication and networking concept applied. Definition of data communication. Data communication for HIS involves securely transmitting sensitive patient information between users, medical professionals, and the central system ensure confidentiality and accuracy. Type of networking use. LAN, MAN 1. The system primary use. LAN, local area network within the hospital to connect various workshops and devices. One is used for telemedicine services, remote access, and inter-hospital collaboration. Importance of networking in the scenario. Reliable, fast, and ensure networking is essential to ensure the seamless transmissions of patient data, reduce errors, and improve healthcare services. The type of networking mainly used in the hospital in LAN or local area network. These connections, computers, printers, and other devices within the hospital building. Through LAN, doctors and nurses can easily access patient records from different departments. On the other hand, one or wide area network is used with the hospital needs to connect with other hospitals or provide telemedicine services. One always remote access and communication over long distances. Networking is very important in the scenario because it ensures that patient info is transferred quickly and safely. A reliable network reduces delays, prevents errors, and improves the overall quality of healthcare. Computer network models, OIS models, layers involved. Layer 7, application layer, HIS application protocol for accessing medical records. Layer 4, transport layer, TCP for variable data layer. Layer 3, network layer, IP routing for internet communication. TCP or IP model layers involved. Application layer, HIS software for managing patient information. Transport layer, TCP ensure reliable transmission. Internet layer, rotates the data within the hospital's network. Explanation of how models are applied in the system. The hospital network uses those models to manage patient data securely, ensuring privacy and integrity of sensitive health information. The OSI model different layers how the specific rules. The application layer is where the HIS software operates. This is the part of allows doctors and nurses to access and manage patient records. The transport layer uses TCP completely without errors. The network layer uses IP Internet Protocol to rotate data from one devices to another within the hospital network or even to other networks. Protocols and standard use. Common protocol use HTTPS. Ensure communication between the HIS and users. TCP. Reliable delivery of healthcare data. SMTP. Sending notification or alerts about appointment and prescriptions. Function of each protocol. HTTPS ensure secure script data transfer for sensitive healthcare TCP governance data integrate and proper sequencing during transfer STMTP sends confirmation and reminder emails to patients. Different protocols are used to make sure communication is reliable and sufficient. Those protocols help the hospital information system HIS working properly when handling sensitive healthcare data. HTTPS is used to secure communication between the system and the users to encrypt the data is so that the personal the medical information of patient can be easily accessed by unauthorized people. This is very important because records are confidential. TCP is reliable. TCP is responsible for making sure that data is delivered correctly and completely. It ensures that the information sent, such as patient records or laboratory results. Transmission modes and transmission media. Transmission mode use St. Luke's HIS employs full duplex communication, allowing data to be sent and received between hospital departments, healthcare providers, and internal system. It is especially important for real-time patient updates, medical records, and, consultations. Transmission media use guide media, fiber optic cable, and Ethernet cable are used for better communication between different, ensuring high speed and reliable data transfer. Unguided media with Wi-Fi networks allow wireless communication within the hospital and enabling staff to access patient records on mobile devices. Explanation based on the real system. Fiber optic cable provide high-speed data transmission within the hospital's network, ensuring that large medical files and patient records are accessed quickly. Wi-Fi allows healthcare providers to access the update patient data on the go, enhancing workflow, especially transmission media. The hospital use both guide and unguided media. Guide media includes fiber optic cables and Ethernet cables. These are where communication use is inside the hospital. Fiber optic cables are very fast and reliable. OSI model data flow analysis, step-by-step explanation of how data flows from sender to receiver. Sender healthcare provider's device. A doctor accesses a patient medical records from a terminal or tablet. Receiver server or external system. The request is processed by the HIS server with retrievers the necessary information, patient history, test result, protocols for OIS model, layer 7 application layer, HTTPS, script communication between device, layer 4 transport layer, TCP ensure reliable data information transmission. Layer 3 network layer, IP routes data between the healthcare provider's device and the hospital server. Identification of protocol per OSI layer, layer 7 HTTPS application layer, layer 4 TCP transport layer, layer 3 IP network layer. Sender in healthcare provider's device, just as a computer or tablet. For example, when a doctor wants to check a patient medical records, they ascended requested through the system. The receiver is the hospital server or an external system. The server processes the request and retrieves the needed information, such as patient history, laboratory results, or prescriptions. After processing, the server sends the data back to the doctor's device. Conclusion. Summary of findings. The Hospital Information System (HIS) at St. Luke's Medical Center ensures seamless communication between hospital departments and external system and combine of ensure protocols HTTPS HL7 DICOM and reliable data transmission technologies TCP IP grand runs that patient data is handled especially and surely improving healthcare delivery. Information of data communication is selected system. Data communication individual for the access of St. Luke's HIS ensure that critical patient information is accessible in real time, enhancing decision making, improving patient care, and streamlining hospital operations.